Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 11, and for today's Vlogmas it's gonna be another sit down Vlogmas, and it's gonna be another Zara haul. I got this huge package. I ordered this last Black Friday when Zara was having a huge Black Friday, so I went to get some clothes that they were on sale, and I cannot wait to show it to you guys. They came in the mail around this week, like earlier Monday, I would say Monday or Saturday. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it one by one. Oh my god, and I even forgot what I ordered, so I'm gonna go to the app, the Zara app, and see what. Okay, so I have, oh my god, so now I'm remembering it. You guys, look how many. Okay, first things first, we have the rib top. If you guys saw my latest Zara haul as well, I got the white one. So I decided, since I love the fitting and I love how it looks on me, I got the top and the color black, of course, duh. Who doesn't love black? And black, you can pair it with anything. So this is size medium. So the price originally is $17.90, but since they're doing a Black Friday, I got this for $10.74, which is like almost like $7 or $8 off. So this top right there, don't worry, I will be trying them on so you guys can see. All right, so the next one would be the overshirt. This is the corduroy overshirt. I saw this on the store already and I really love it. It's just the price, I don't like the price. It was originally 40 bucks, but I only paid $23.94, which is, I'm like, you know what, they're having Black Friday sale. I would normally not pay $40 for this, but since they were having sale, $23 is not that bad. So I got myself the, I think this is the cream. Hold on, let me view the color. I think this is the cream, or yeah, I think this is the cream. So this is good because I've been wanting actually to get this. It's just like, it's 40 bucks. I'm like, is it really worth 40 bucks to like pay freaking oversized shirt? And I got it on size medium, and it's good because it's winter time where I live and it gets really cold here now. And I mean, you can also like wear this like all year long, like you just like put it over. But yeah, I love this. I like the color and everything, and I got the size medium. I was gonna get the size large, but I don't know how I feel about the very baggy oversized corduroy, but I feel like the medium is already looks big on me, so we'll see about that. So this is like I said, 23 bucks. The next one would be the satin effect top and a colored pastel green. You guys, look how pretty this is. Like, look at the color, it's very flowy. Oh my goodness. So this is originally $39.90, which is $40, and I was like, I'm not paying $40 for that. But like I said, since they're having sale, I only paid $23.94, which is really a great deal. It's almost like half off the price, and I got the size medium. I do have the same top as this. I think I got it at Forever 21 like a long time ago, and no, actually not Forever 21, H&M. I got the black. Actually, it's almost like the same material. It's satin, and I love it. It's great for like going out of like casual, and also if you work at the office, it's really great because it's, you know, black and satin. I don't know, I just like it. So I got the green one because I'm really curious, and I've been loving the green as well. Like, I can feel like I can wear this all year long as well. So that's that. Look how cute, super cute. I like it. And also I got this, I know it's winter time where I live, but I got this for the sake of me filming a sit-down video, because 99% of the time I just like put like a crop top on, or like just like a regular top when I'm filming like a sit-down videos like this. Like this shirt is from Aritzia, and like half of me is just wearing like literally like a joggers. So that's like the behind the scene of me filming like a sit-down video. So yes, I cannot wait to try this. And I got the size, both of it medium. How do you call this? Like I like the quality and the feel. Amazing. All right, so next we have a jeans, which is this is the premium relax mom jeans in the color blue. I know I already got the mom jeans and I freaking love it. I love the mom jeans. But yeah, this was on sale for, how much did I pay for this? Hold on. This was on sale for $29.90, which is originally 50 bucks. So I'm just like, you know what, since they're having sale and I need more jeans, like a decent jeans, I got this. And hello, like you can never go wrong with mom jeans. And you guys, I cannot wait to try this on. And it has like a hole as well. Hold on. Right here. So there's like a hole right there. The next one will be this animal print heeled sandal. You guys, I know, like I said, it's winter time, but this really caught my eyes. Oh my goodness. Hold on. You guys, look at these sandal. They're not way too like how do you call this, high, so it's like a decent size or a decent heel. And it's brown animal print, and we got like the black edges, which is amazing. Oh my goodness, like I cannot wait till it's like spring or summer, so I can like wear this, because for now I cannot like wear this outside because it's so cold. But you guys, look at this. It's so cute. The price originally is $50, but I only paid $29.94, which is pretty decent price for a pair of sandals. So hopefully this will fit me really good. But yeah, look how pretty it is. So last but not the least is this crop hooded sweatshirt. Thank God I found this, and thank God I got this, because I need one. I need one. And you guys know that on the vlog, like I've been eyeing, or I've been like on the lookout for a great quality sweatshirt. And thank God Zara was having a sale, Black Friday sale. Originally this is $40. It's really expensive, but I only paid $23.94, and I get the size medium. I should have went to large. Now looking at it, I should have got the large size, but hopefully it still looks good. This is in the color gray. So yeah, it has like, it's zip, because you guys know I only have the black ones, and hopefully this will look good on me. But yeah, looks cute already. If you guys want to see what they look like on me, then keep on watching. I love it. I freaking love this top. It's so cute. Okay, with the jeans, you guys, it's a little bit, not even a little bit, but it's loose. But I think I'm just gonna put like a belt maybe and work this out, because it's loose, and I think I ordered size up. But the top feels really great. I love it. But yeah, I wish they come up with, I don't know if they have the gray or maybe like a sage green color. That would be amazing. But I do know that they have the white, black, and also like baby blue color. So yeah, this top is cute. This top is a freaking amazing. Oh my god, look how flowy it is. Like, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, it's very cute. And Like I said, I love how it looks on me. I'm planning to wear this like maybe I'll tuck the half of it, I'll tuck it in with like jeans, because her like that maybe, or you know, like I said, you can literally style this or tuck the whole thing in with the mom jeans like that. So it's really up to you on how you style this. It's very flowy and I love it. I love the freaking color. It's very Aries. You guys, this is so cute too. Count how many times I say cute because I lost count, but you guys, this is so cute. Honestly, this is amazing. If it's really good and it's look kind of like oversized, but it's great. I love the feeling, I like the quality of it, and I think I'm just gonna think to kind of make, if I'm just wearing this by itself, I want it to be like this, like open V moment. Yeah, so this is cute as well. Here, size medium. I think the color of this one is cream, I think. So I will definitely pair this with maybe like high-waisted black jeans or leggings with maybe what's like Doc Martens or like any platform shoes, because this is looking absolutely stunning. Thank God I got it. I should have got two because I know they have it in different colors as well, but I'm just, you know, I'm not sure about how are they gonna like end up looking when I try them on. So hopefully Zara's gonna have another sale again, but this is absolutely amazing. I wish this one has a like a little pocket on the side. That would be amazing, but I love it. It's easy pull, which is good, and it feels warm. So, and you can pull it because it has like a crunch going on also here, so that's good. I wish I got the size large actually, but this is fine. This top is not from Zara, it's from Aritzia, the Sunday's Best top, but you guys, this goes really amazing with the jeans. I mean, look, I know the jeans are really big on me. I don't know why in the world I ordered size, I put size up, or I think that sizing up is much better, but look at the fit of these jeans. I mean, I can probably just tailor them to make it fit, because right now the only thing is I can just put like a belt, but look how cute. It's very simple and casual, like you have a plain tee with mom jeans. I really love it, and I can also pair it with, I'm not gonna show you the shoes because I didn't paint my nails, but it will look great with the sandal that I got as well. But you guys, this looks absolutely amazing, like amazing. Or I can probably wear also the Doc Martens or any platform boots or shoes. This is amazing, so cute. Yeah, I think I just have to put belt because it's too big for me. Alright you guys, that is it for this haul and also try on. So I hope that you liked this video as much as I did. Please join my $100 giveaway, because I am so close on hitting 2K on YouTube, you guys, and also 1K followers on Instagram. If you want to join the giveaway. I will leave the video on my description box below, and also if you guys are interested on the pieces that I tried and I also bought, so I'll put it in the description box below as well if you guys are interested on purchasing them. But yes, I will see you guys tomorrow. But like I said, if you made this whole to the video, might as well like this video and also subscribe since you watched the whole thing, and I will see you guys soon tomorrow. Bye.